Yeah,
No hit,
Wack
nigga.
better stop. Wack, come on, man. Wack contradict himself so bad, man. That nigga telling everybody what he was gonna do. When you see my footage, because I still even put all that shit up there, you gonna be like, why is this nigga on Han's back like that? That nigga hugging me from behind with his fucking white teeth behind my neck, and this is when I'm getting ready to leave. So all this Clubhouse shit that the nigga doing just caught me left field. That nigga was talking about helping me start my clothing line and all types of shit like that. Then he get the Clubhouse talking crazy because he pussy. Because if he felt like that, he would have said it in my face. Oh, he ain't really like that. Now, the problem with the California niggas is that you can't show niggas love. 50 said it best. Show no love. Love will get you killed. Niggas a grimy ass nigga. Everybody he ever dealt with, he did grimy. Y'all gotta ask yourself a question. Where did this nigga get tapes from of Larry Hoover? He released that audio, or rather he spoke about it because he knew that was coming next. Where the fuck did you get the footage of Larry Hoover? Why you got footage of everybody? That nigga government, man.
That nigga straight government.
Nigga government. Nigga got footage of everybody.
That nigga talking crazy. He done incriminated Big U. He done incriminated every motherfucking body.
Man, tell that nigga to get busy, man. Ain't nobody running from him talking about he could reach a nigga for 3,000. Reach me, nigga. Come reach me yourself. Tell that nigga to pull up right in my motherfucking driveway and get out the car. I'll beat that nigga face in. Oh, big face ass nigga. I will beat that nigga face in. That's the problem with him.
Hey yo, House, that nigga was all teeth and all smiles, my nigga. That nigga.
So that nigga, and yo, son, he think if he keep on talking, he gonna talk his way out of that ass whooping I already gave him. He ain't never been defeated by an East Coast nigga like that. Even West Coast niggas is hit me up like, yo, we tired of that nigga. Nobody likes him.
That's what.
Nobody like that crater face ass nigga.
That crater face ass nigga is angry, man.
Then on top of that, yo, 1 minute he said he 43 years old. Then I got audio with the nigga said he 54 years old. Why the nigga lied about his age? Which one is it?
Damn.
Which one is it?
So Hassan, when are you gonna release all the extra audio that you have?
Oh, I'm gonna release some more later on today. I'm slow fucking that nigga. He playing with the courts though.
Oh really?
Come on, man. Y'all don't hear the nigga telling y'all he playing with the courts?
So you slow fuck?
He gonna get my page taken now?
So
I'm not playing with that nigga.
That nigga a bitch.
Yeah, all he doing is he trying to get cease and desist, and what he trying to do is he trying to make it to where that he get me for harassment and bullying for putting his name in the title and talking about him. He ain't slick. That's why I fell back off of the nigga like that, because I see what he trying to do. He using lawyers.
That's sad, man.
The nigga started a fight. I dusted his ass off. He ain't looking good. And all he could do is talk on Clubhouse. Like I said, man, since all this happened, what does his YouTube platform look like? The nigga released some footage up there. This shit ain't do no numbers.
You got some more?
And yo, Haas, you know what's crazy, Haas? The podcast is trash. Let's just get that all the way clear. The podcast is trash. The footage is not good. Like, come on, man.
Come on, he got a nigga named Reek.
Yo, he be treating that nigga like a bitch, Haas.
He's stupid but you know what though? He's stupid though, because the reality of it is he's gonna turn off his audience by treating people like that. He think that shit gonna make him bigger. No, it's not. Niggas don't like you, Wack.
Facts.
You don't treat people like that. That shit is he's 100% whack.
Hey yo, Haas, Reek gonna end up doing that nigga like how Marlon Wayans did Pac and end up above the rim, my nigga. Treated that nigga like a whole bitch. Nigga walked up with the spot on that nigga.
Reek ain't gonna do nothing but go in the room and take one for the team. He gonna lay down with that itchy throat ass nigga and do exactly what Wack want him to do, because he's a bitch ass nigga. Bitches get treated like bitches. See, but one thing about it is, when you see how he treat him, he didn't do that to me at that table.
Heck no.
Everybody that watched that footage, he lied. Yo, I said this. Man, listen, you was my friend in that motherfucker. You turned enemies when we wasn't seeing each other.
Yup.
I get on Clubhouse and I'm listening to this nigga talk reckless about me. Like, for real? Like, damn, where did this happen at? That's jealousy, man.
He was just straight up.
My motherfucking video is doing 500,000 views in one day off of lives. He ain't do that. And now I gotta break the algorithm again because all YouTube did was factory reset my shit so they could slow my numbers down. They don't want me out there like that. Them niggas put the spotlight out on me because them niggas is gatekeepers.
Yo, Haas,
They're
can I
trying
ask
to
you a
slow down
question?
my career.
What up, Haas?
Yo,
What
can
up,
I ask you a
Scotty? What
question,
up, bro,
Haas?
Scotty? What up,
What's
y'all?
up?
What up?
Yo, he was talking about how Jim Jones was talking on that wiretap with the feds. Why he was talking so comfortably on the phone like that with you about certain shit?
Because that's how he will a nigga in. He make you feel like you his friend. And then you end up with a bullet in. He was right. That was a rock to sleep. The whole play was a rock to sleep. None of them niggas ain't really like me. Tekashi scared of my voice, man. Tekashi is scared of my voice. Academics is scared of my position because academics, you know what I mean, he's so controversial with the bullshit that he be doing. So all of them niggas decided to sit down with me. They been seeing me there. My voice is a threat to niggas, so they thought they was gonna get me in a room and humiliate me and intimidate me like I'm soft face to face, and it didn't happen. Even if I'd have went to that room by myself with niggas playing games like that, somebody would have just ended up dying at that table. Fuck niggas thought they was gonna jump me, please. I'd have been in jail. I'd have hit them niggas with a rocket launcher.
Yo,
This is just
you know what's
entertainment,
crazy?
FBI.
Yo,
House was gonna rock this snap box back, my nigga.
But these niggas will tell you all on the internet, Haas don't come outside. Like, nigga, I faced Tekashi with an army in that room. That nigga had an army of fucking of gangbangers with him in. He had an army of motherfucking security that he didn't put on camera. Ain't no future in front, and I don't know why he hiding the truth. Nigga, you keep security with you.
But you
You
know the
just keep him off
sad
the
part
camera.
about it, Haas? See, that nigga was plotted, like you said, that you came there by yourself so he could do what he did, but it backfired. Now the nigga look.
When Mad Fire for dropping the whole video.
He just dropped another one today. Yeah, Math just dropped another
Mad
clip
powerful.
today.
Shout out to Hoffa.
Math
man.
going, Math smart. He gonna milk this shit. He's like he's supposed to get all his bread off of that.
That was a good
Powerful,
interview.
man.
I seen the one clip from yesterday.
You know what I mean? I like to fuck with niggas that ain't shiesty, man. I ain't have to worry about all that shit with Math. When I went down the Math platform, man, even though I went down there, I had a team of niggas with me down there. At the same time, Math had a team of security to make sure I was safe. Make a nigga feel safe. I didn't even have to worry about some of my niggas was able to just go home. Math had a team of niggas to hold me down outside. That's real nigga shit right there.
That nigga Mav said, Hassan, you ain't never recorded none of our conversations, did you?
That's a smart question to ask because it's like, yo, that's not something that a person normally does. You got to keep in mind, man. I talk to millionaires, like some of the celebrities that I talk to. You'll never hear footage like with Casanova 2 times. Me and Casanova been on the phone for like 2 or 3 hours in a day. You'll never hear no footage of me and Casanova talking. There's no reason for that. I don't record niggas like that. I recorded the devil. So this is what niggas don't understand. I recorded the devil.
That shit because you a groupie. That's why. He's a groupie.
Okay, I'll be a groupie, but I'm just not your groupie. See how that
Up
works?
here to say that.
Damn, why y'all go to homegirl?
You get all the way up here to say that, though.
Nah,
Come
don't
on
go
with the
her.
weird shit.
It was Miss
Now let me tell you
Disrespect.
something.
Hey, Wack a fucking smoker.
Listen,
We
man.
all know
Let me
this shit. Wack
explain
is a
something to
goofy.
y'all. I'm not gonna be that nigga that's gonna be in the room that you clown ass niggas is just gonna have your way with and talk to me the way you want to talk to me. Like, nah, I'm a little like. First of all, motherfuckers better be lucky, because me personally, I'm above this Clubhouse shit. So when you get an opportunity to talk to a nigga, you should be trying to figure out how to get some fucking bread and get your life together instead of sitting up there calling a nigga a groupie. That them niggas came to get me. I didn't go looking for Wack. Wack called me to Clubhouse because he wanted to talk to me. I didn't go looking for that nigga. Them niggas brought me to the table to go through their door, and I burnt that bitch down. Groupie for what? Nigga, I'm the shit.
Hey, yo, Haas, don't forget, he not only wanted you to come on a podcast, but he also wanted to do a podcast with you, and he said that multiple times.
Damn, I
So
remove the homegirl.
we got the audio of that.
Tell that bitch to go take care of her kids. That's what she do. Go make them some fucking
Hey,
lunch.
chill out on
And
that
go
That's what
get
you
high.
go.
Chill
Go
Girl.
out.
make your
Chill out.
kids some
Chill out,
fucking lunch
man.
and stay out of. See, this is the problem, right? Stay the fuck out of men
Hey,
business,
she ain't
man.
even
That
A
in
Haas
woman,
here,
hit
so
that
a
we
woman,
can
Yeah,
just
letter.
a
but look,
woman
chill
has
out
a
with
since
the
she
bitch
place.
ain't
word
even
though,
in here,
Haas.
let's just keep it pushing.
A woman has a place. Stay in your place.
Let
Let's just keep
Hassan
it
do it.
pushing. She's not even in here.
No,
She
that
should have
sounded
stayed in her
like a whack
motherfucking
bitch
place. Go
crying
make
if
some
she was
fucking
in
grits,
here, bro.
bitch.
Fuck
Yo,
that,
that's crazy because all
fuck
the
that
guys
Yo,
in the
dumb
room
ugly
beating
bitch.
up their mic
I
right
saw
now,
that
son.
nigga. Saw that nigga, boy.
I
I
smacked the
saw
shit out of that bitch on fifth, cuz.
You
On
cussed her,
fifth, cuz.
Buster.
Yo,
Hey, go
you a
ahead,
wild
Gotti.
nigga,
Mod me
son.
right back up. Go ahead, Gotti. Mod me back up.
Yo,
Talk your shit,
yo,
huh?
Haas. Yo, son, I ain't gonna lie, man. You a fool.
What I know you
On
about them
fifth,
nasty
cuz.
bitches, Gotti.
Look, it's not an issue. I just don't call her a bitch. Let's
Hey, yo, Haas,
Shut up,
let
you
me tell you
Listen,
cussed her,
man.
something, right?
Buster.
Listen,
Shut up,
listen.
you
To all the
Nasty
cussed her,
females in the room,
bitch.
Buster.
right?
Fuck
When a
that
woman,
bitch. I called
listen,
her a bitch. Now what?
when a woman presents herself as a woman, I treat her as such. I will open up the door for you.
That,
I'll pay for your meals. I'll pay for your bills. But
that,
when you get out of character and you earn the title of being called the bitch, she earned that. I didn't disrespect that woman. You ain't gonna get respect from a
Got a
man
point. She called him out his name.
disrespecting a man. There's
that,
other men in this room, and that's the problem with some of y'all females. You gotta learn how to treat a man because if a man ain't do nothing to a woman should bring that respect to the table. When you violate and you disrespect the man, like I will Chris Brown a bitch
Man,
in a
fuck that
heartbeat,
bitch. The bitch
and
came
I will not
off my mic.
apologize neither.
Straight up.
The
Hey, what
bitch
about
came
Ray
off
Rice?
my mic.
Straight up.
Fuck that
hey, yo,
bitch.
hold up.
They
But yo,
got a
He
Ray
Haas,
didn't
Rice
say.
show.
He
now
said
I'm
he
gonna
had
say
called
this. Hold
somebody
on,
out their
one mic,
name, then get mad
one
at
mic
their
on Haas,
reaction. She called him a
one
group.
mic. Hold on,
She
Jim.
wanted to
One mic
call him
on me.
something else
Let me
for
just say
real.
this, right? Cause Haas don't get out of character and just curse out every female. I remember when Haas came up here and we had a room about Mike's song. Shorty got off her mic and tried to violate. Now Haas, was in his spill. You got Haas out his spill, and he said what he said. And he apologized to the old girl when they went in Hocus room.
They
But at the end
selective
of the
with
day,
that bitch word
she
too, because when
violated.
certain people say it, they don't even
she did
react or
violate.
care.
She violated. No, she
Like,
did
listen, man.
violate.
Respect is a two-way street. When you open up a door, like first and foremost, is like I said, man. She wouldn't have said that to me face to face, cause I'd have beat her up. I would smack a
Yo,
bitch, smack a
male
nigga.
or
You're not gonna play
female,
with me in my
nigga.
face
Don't
like that.
violate or you get
Hey,
violated, nigga. Male or
That's the
female.
bottom line to it. Like, come on, man.
And then they all started
respect.
defending the bitch, telling some don't boo her.
Respect
She
is a
came
two-way
off of her
street. I
fucking
gotta
mic.
salute Hassan
Yeah,
on
she
that.
called that man a
Respect is a two.
groupie and all this
Listen,
other
I
shit.
tell anybody like this: if you act like a nigga, you get treated
Fuck
like a
anybody
nigga.
that's taking up for whack
You
women,
Exactly.
man.
heard?
Nah, but listen, on some real
Yo,
shit
what
though.
up, y'all?
Yo, on some real shit though. What if I really did like whack? And what if he really, really did try to set me up? So what's wrong with me actually liking my black brother and wanting us to grow together and get some bread together like we were supposed
That
to? You see, this is when niggas got fucked up. You sitting up there and we treating each other worse than the slave master and think this shit is cool. Like, nah, fuck that. That shit ain't cool. That black people would invite you to a table to disrespect you after playing like he was my friend all over Clubhouse. That shit is whack. And anybody that sit up there and play with whack and sit in a room with whack with him doing disloyal snake shit like that, obviously y'all got something in common. Cause I
yep,
can't fuck with niggas like that. You ain't gonna never see me sitting in a room with whack ever again. There ain't nothing to talk about with me and that nigga.
that's a fact. And I'm gonna keep it real. What I ain't like is 24 hours. Nigga didn't wait. It only was 24 hours after Hassan saw him. Niggas make a room, kick this man back in after 24 hours, my nigga. That's like a nigga coming to your house or a nigga bring you in his house and he violate. And then next thing you know, a nigga talking shit behind your back and a nigga letting you hear that. That's some fucking foul shit. That ain't
That's
Yo,
the
real.
same nigga I pressed
everybody
when
was
the
happy to
interview
see us
was
sit
all
down.
smiles and jokes. It wasn't no pressing
Everybody
going
was
on
happy
in
to
there.
see us sit down. There was no reason for that shit to go left. Everybody was happy,
He
like,
was
yo, that
trying to
was a dope
snatch your
move.
glory,
Right.
Haas.
Yeah, that's exactly what he tried to do, but he couldn't do it. You can't. You're like, yo, son, you can't, man. You got to understand something, right? First of all, even if WACK would have like said some shit that he really didn't say, that he.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video. And don't forget to subscribe.